Daddy, are you ready? Are you ready? What's going on?
What's going on? It's Tiffany and I'm showing you a quick tutorial on how to treat your expressions Kanekelon braids. I have 4 braids with me here today, color 613, 27, 30, and 33. So first things first, you're gonna get you a wash tub, bucket, whatever you have, and you have 1 kettle of boiling hot water. You're gonna pour that into your tub while you have some cold water running. We want warm water. Now you're gonna take your apple cider vinegar. I'm using the Goya brand today, not specifically, it's just that it's the cheaper one. And I'm gonna pour 2.5 cups of apple cider vinegar because I'm doing 4 packs of hair. Now you're gonna take your hair straight out to the pack. Don't do anything with it, just straight out to the pack. Put it inside of your tub. Make sure it is completely submerged. And I'm just gonna be here covering all here. Take that out, take the pop out, don't really need it no more. So make sure your hair is submerged, and you're gonna leave it to soak for 30-45 minutes so we could get that film kind of coating to come off. So now I'm just trying to show you guys that coating on the hair. You're gonna see where I'm pointing, there's little bubbles and kind of like a filmy right there, little bubbles. So that's the coating that I'm trying to get off of the hair, because if you have itchy scalp like me, that's what's gonna irritate your scalp. Now I'm gonna just drain the water, take my pipe with cold water and just rinse the hair. Rinse, 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 rinse. And after I rinse the hair, I actually hang it on a line above my wash tub. Now I live in the Caribbean and I can put it outside on a clothesline, but you just want somewhere that can drip dry and not wet up your floors. And once you leave it dry for overnight, you have perfectly treated, clean bundles that you can carry to your braider, or if you're doing your hair yourself. So you could just get started. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.